Now let's work with list box. This is a list box. So let's take a label. Let's name it as United States. Okay, it's fine. Now take a list box. Let's increase the font size to 18. That's fine now. We're taking two command buttons. What we want is, if we click on the first command button, which is click, the state name will show its capital after selecting this, and the other one is exit. So all the command will be inside click, but we need to write something inside this list. So in list, we go to list, click on the drop down and start writing the name, like, and then press Ctrl Enter to go to the next line. If you only press enter, it's just gonna close it, but if you press Ctrl Enter, it's gonna go to the next line. Then Ctrl Enter, Ctrl Enter. Okay. So the index of the first one here is 0, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, it's capital E now. Yeah. Let's edit this. I didn't saw that. Okay. So we're gonna write all the commands in the click button. If list1 dot list index is equals to 0, then okay, list1 is this list1, and the first index is 0. The first item in this index is 0, and then this one is 1, this one is 2, and so on. So its index is 0. If the index is 0, then the message box will show capital okay, and if inside that, if list1 dot to 1, then after that, if list1 dot list index is equals to 2, then if list1 dot list index is equal to 3, then The last one, yeah, let's run this. You haven't made an exit. You can actually do it from here too. Okay, let's run this. Okay, go to project, project on properties, then choose the current form which we are in. Okay, then run. Okay, click. Index. Okay, that's it for now.